Hello all traders. Today is Thursday, 21st of November 2024, and we're going to look at the trade that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures. If we look at the macro chart of 1 hour, we see that the price was fluctuating below the previous day close on all E-minis during the Asian session, and during the London session it started to go up. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price started to go down and retesting the previous level of support. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the price to go down and test this level of support, and when the buyers come back, we will take long positions in a well-established uptrend. And as you see, we took those trades already, and I'm gonna replay the video recording of these trades at higher speeds. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna update you with the trades that were taken today. So as you see, we waited for the price to have a deep pullback and reach the previous level of support, and the buyers came back. So I started to take long positions with setup B and C, and I'm now taking long positions with setup T repeatedly on every pullback that I see, and adding to the position when we have a pullback, and close it on the upper area of the channel with profit. So we just closed some positions on Nasdaq and Dow Jones with profit, waiting for another pullback now, and buyers are strong, so I'm gonna take some position not to lose this strong trends, and just close one position on Nasdaq, another pullback, waiting for more pullback. So in a strong trend we don't see much pullback, so we have to enter with breakout at least some positions not to lose the trend. So waiting more to see if the pullback happens. We're close to the previous day close, so we will see if the price come and have a pullback close to this level or not, and then enter long positions. So I'm not taking chance and just entered one position and second position and third position, and waiting for the buyers to push the price higher and close it in the middle of the channel with profit. Again, I entered long position on Dow Jones and waiting for that to go up and reach the target. The buying pressure is not as strong on Dow Jones, so I tried to close it with break even. I took one long position on Nasdaq that was closed with a small profit, and I just closed the Dow Jones position with break even. So we're done for the day, and let's look at the stats of all these trades that were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex trader funding accounts. And as you see, we are positive and reach profit factor of 5, which is coming from 66% win rate, all from the 12 long positions taken, and average win to loss ratio, which was 2.5. The largest winning trade was 585, and the largest losing trade was $354. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.